Cherry cocoa, my one and only. Baby, call you want.
Hi guys, so I'm taking my Body Shop Seaweed Oil Balancing Toner and I'm using that all over my face. Then I'm taking my Bethmian brow pencil in coffee to fill in my brows. To clean up the brows, I'm using my NYX concealer palette. I'm just like cleaning up the bottom and then cleaning up the top just to give it a more defined shape. For my eyeshadow base, I'm using the P. Louise base in the shade Rumor number 5. I'm going to apply that all over my lid. Then I'm taking my Juvia's Place Masquerade Mini Palette. I'm taking that shade over there and I'm building it up in my crease. I'm using this as my transition color. Next, I'm taking my Nubian 2 palette. I'm taking the shade Jezebel and I'm going to apply that to further define my crease. I'm taking the shade Sheba and I'm applying that to the center of my lid, creating a halo look. I already applied my lashes. Now I'm taking my Nivea cream as my moisturizer. I'm applying that all over my face and I'm rubbing it in. Next, I'm taking my Melanie Mills Gleam Radiance in the shade Rose Gold and I'm applying that to the high points of my face. I'm taking my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation in the shade Mocha. I'm applying that from the tube into my face. Blending that in with my Colorbox Buffer brush. I really love the density of this brush actually. It's really nice. Then I'm taking my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I'm applying that under my eyes, my cupid's bow, my nose, my forehead, and my chin. And I'm blending that out with my Dump Beauty Blender. Next, I'm taking my Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in the shade C13 and I'm building up my highlight shade. Now I'm taking my Black Opal Neutral Light Finishing Powder and I'm going to use that to bake under my eyes, my chin, my forehead, the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow. I'm taking my LA Girl powder and I'm using that to buff out the parts of my face that I didn't apply the powder. Now I'm taking my Maybelline powder in the shade Cacao and I'm using that to chisel out my cheeks. Basically, I'm using it as a contour or maybe a bronzer. Now I'm taking a lighter shade. I'll put the shades in the description box below. I'm using a lighter shade of the Maybelline powder and I'm sorry, and I'm using it to like dust away the excess powder from the bake. Now I'm setting my face with the Scandinavia makeup finishing spray. I'm taking my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter in Molten Gold. As my highlight, I'm putting on the high points of my face, my cheeks, my nose, and everywhere, you know. Now I'm just putting some color underneath my eyes just to bring the whole eye look together. This is not the full look. I missed a few of the clips. I don't know, I lost them some way somehow. But then yeah, I'll leave everything in the description box below. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I'm sorry I sound so sick. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.